Hello everyone, I am back again to make a new video tutorial on how to speed up your internet connection in a few steps. So what I'm going to do here is to show you the steps on how to do it. But before we start, I would like to give you a warning that this video is for educational purposes only. So whatever happened to your computer, it's your own obligation. Alright, so let's start. So the first thing that you're going to do is you need to access the system of the computer so that you can set the value of the bandwidth so that you can have the fastest connection that you're supposed to have on your internet connection. Okay, so um, what you're going to do here right now is to follow or focus on my cursor or on my mouse cursor so that you can see what are those important things that I'm going to do or I'm going to click and to change. Okay, so first things first is you need to click the start button. So whether you're using Windows 7 or Windows 10, the start button will be found here on the lower left side of your screen. Just click this and you can type this one on your keyboard. You should type the um, gpedit.msc, or GP stands for group policy edit. So you're going to edit something on the in the system. Okay, so always remember this one. Just type in the search bar on the under the start button of your Windows. So it's gpedit.msc. After you've done that, just hit enter on your keyboard, and this window will appear on your screen. So all you have to do is to maximize it, and on the left side you will see here the options. On the right side are the content of the folders that you're going to select on the left side. So what we're going to do here right now is to go to computer configuration. So you need to make sure that it's the drop down arrow is open, and under computer configuration you need to go to this folder which is called administrative templates. Just click the drop down arrow and look for the network folder, which is this one. So second step that you're going to do is to click again the arrow down on the left side of the network folder. So let's make it a little bigger here. So once you click the arrow down under network folder, just look for QoS packet scheduler, which is this one. So just look for QoS packet scheduler, and you need to click the folder. You don't need to click the drop down arrow. All you have to do is to click the folder to see what's inside. Okay, so once you're done clicking the folder, you need to go here on the right side and I would like you to look for the settings limit reservable bandwidth. This is the one that we're going to open. Okay, so it is, once again, it is called limit reservable bandwidth. All you have to do is to open it, and this window will appear on your screen. um, just a heads up, everyone, that the default option here is not configured. All you have to do is to click enable, and once you click the radio button, which is enabled, or yeah, you need to go to the options, look for this one, bandwidth limit percentage. So after you enabled this one, the radio button, just change the bandwidth limit percentage to 0 from 80%. And once you've done that, you need to click apply and hit OK to make some changes here. Okay, so once you've done making some changes on your bandwidth using these simple steps, all you have to do is to close it, and once you've closed it, you need to restart your computer. So once you're done restarting your computer, you can see the difference before you made some changes and after you made some changes. So you can see there if there was if there will be difference. In my case, I can see that my internet connection became more faster than before I did not made some changes. Okay, so this is the best step that you're going to follow if you would like to have a faster connection. Okay, so if you're going to watch a YouTube video, the buffer on the video is running fast. All right, so compare to the one that you haven't made some changes on your bandwidth. Okay, you don't, after you made some changes, you don't put the limit on your bandwidth. The default having a limit, but after you made some changes or after you enable it and change it to 0, you remove the limit of the bandwidth. Alright, so does it make sense? So if it does make sense, then this video is for you. Alright, so I would like to thank you everyone for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video, and if you'd like to see more videos in the future, you can hit the subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell for future videos or future tutorial. Alright, thank you so much for your time. See you on my next video. Bye bye.